Hi friends, welcome. Today we have a nice problem. 2 to the power 200 minus 2 to the power 192 multiplied by 31 plus 2 to the power n is a perfect square of natural numbers, right? So we have to find out sum of digits of n, right? So let's start. Here, if we take 2 to the power 192 as common, so we have remain here 2 to the power 8 minus here 31 plus 2 to the power n minus 192. Fine. Now 2 to the power 192, 2 to the power 8, 256 minus 31 plus 2 to the power n minus 192, right? Now 2 to the power 192 and this minus this 225 plus 2 to the power n minus 192, right? So this will be a perfect square, right? And this also, right? So here let 2 to the power n minus 192 is equal to 2 to the power k, right? Now we will take these terms, okay? If we put k is equal to 1, right? Trial and error method, right? So this 225 plus here 2 to the power k, so 2 to the power 1. This value will be 227. This is not perfect square, right? Same way we can put k is equal to 2. So this plus 2 square is equal to 229. Not a perfect square. Now k is equal to 3, right? So 2 cube is equal to 233. Also not a perfect square. Same way k is equal to 4, right? So this value will be 241. Also not a perfect square. Now k is equal to 5, right? So this value will be 257. Not a perfect square, right? Now k is equal to 6. So 225 plus 2 to the power 6 is equal to 289, which is a perfect square, right, of 17. Fine. So k will be equal to 6, right? As we have assumed 2 to the power n minus 192 is equal to 2 to the power k, right? So 2 to the power n minus 192 is equal to 2 to the power 6, okay? So same base n minus 192 is equal to 6, right? So n will be equal to 198, right? Now sum of digits of n will be equal to 1 plus 9 plus 8, right, is equal to 18, okay? So this is our required result. Okay friends, thank you.